Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. I had shipped to me a couple of new Michaels tools, Art Alternatives they're called, and I'll post the link under the video. Not that it gets me anything, it's just to help you. So I'm going to use puddles of paint, starting with Interference Violet, and Interference Blue, I thought about green. I think I'm going for gold. The canvas has a very light coat of dry mead and black. This is Whispering Wisteria. I have not done exactly this before, and I'm a little trepidatious about it, but I'm willing to give it a try. This is Deep Amethyst. I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake. Some Frozen. Expect to run into some Dancing Fuchsia, which is almost plugged. I can still get some out. It's definitely very close to being plugged. Sideways is not the way I like to see them flow. And some Red Violet. I also keep thinking of Blue Flame, so maybe I'll pull some of that out as well. Push paint. So now I have to decide what else is coming. I think I'm going to use some Interference Gold. I'm going to go back down here. Put some more Vivid Intense Red Violet and some Dancing Fuchsia in. More Deep Amethyst. More Frozen. More Interference Blue. And the residuals on my spatula. So, I wonder what the Dancing Fuchsia is going to look like when it dries. But in the meantime, scrape off my spatula and try and fill in my gap. Now, I think it's going to be Interference Violet again. I think a little more blue. We'll see. Still feel like I could have used some green. How about a little more violet? Certainly not over the dancing fuchsia either. Kind of feel like putting more gold in. No point in being shy about it. Might be good to use a clean spatula, and I've got a small one. If I add my mark making tools, this is going to change completely. I kind of like it the way it is. Things are drying really fast, which means paint will pull off. We don't really want that. Now I either need to carve this down or add to it, and I think I'm probably better off adding to it. I'm going to use a straw. That seems like the intelligent thing to do. Okay, am I going to do it? I have to try. So which one of my new tools am I going to use? I want the one that leaves the most color behind. So I guess that stays the graduated one. Maybe I need an entirely different tool. Got one of my spatula heads. Thinking I need to wipe that off. I want to use one of my new graduated tools. I'm going to use my residuals right here because I can. Wipe off my excess, which is quite a bit actually. I don't know how much I need. I'm going to have to try a different tool. Liking it a lot. Trying to wipe the paint off in between, and there's a lot of it. I'm thinking if I pull up less paint, if I use the wider gaps, I'll be better off. I'm not sure, I'm not very close to calling this good. Trying to fill in my little gap, probably not a good idea. It's actually kind of interesting. No, I think I'm pretty good. I got negative space, negative space, negative space. Some dendrites, that was weird. Not sure what caused that. Going to be interesting when it dries because there's quite a bit of gold in there. So I'm back and it's a few days later and I have had a really hard time figuring out what I want to do. But I would like some more gold and I'd like to try some stripes. This is, I believe, Indian spice. And I added a little bit of art fluid, but it's not showing up. It's also not coming out very easily. I need the paint not to be too thick because when I drag teeth through it, how do I finish that statement? I don't know. I just need it to behave. So I've carved up a new tool. With wider spaces so I get more color through, and I think I'm going to like it. I think I'm going to take that color off there. I pulled out some pink diamond and that's next. Just going to grab a clean brush. Use my smallest spatula head and wipe it off. Come back. I kind of think I'm going to like this. I'm ready to try some of the pink diamond I pulled out. And if there's a little gold in there at all. I think I'm going to go down from the top. Maybe include a little groovy guava with this. Maybe a little bit of, I see it, Rhapsody Rose. And use one of my brushes I've already used. I'm pretty happy with all that. I'm thinking I want some more. I think I want one more set of marks. Any more Indian spice up, that'd be great. Kind of like the wobble. I think I'm going to have one more section. Maybe I've just done it. I think that'll work. Just wiped off my tool. Do I want to do that anywhere else? think I'm gonna use the residuals. That's what I'm gonna do. There, I like that too. I'll fill in right there, and that's cool. Then I'm done. I think. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot more than I did. Definitely thinking about taking whatever little bit of paint I have left and attempting to put a line down. Am I? It might be crazy. There, I think I like that better. Okay, so I'm good. More fun. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching. Please know your thumbs up are very appreciated. For inquiries to purchase my artwork, please use my email address. It's easpbgallery, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. To purchase my books, use my Amazon link. Please subscribe. Make sure to choose all when you click the bell. Please check out my channel's playlists. They share a wide assortment of methods you might be interested in. Questions are always welcome. Don't be shy. Watching my videos longer is of great assistance. The channel survives with the help of channel memberships and PayPal donations. I'd like to express my great appreciation for everyone who helps support the channel. Please come again. Coupon codes are in the description under the video.